In this video I'm going to show you how to do a localization or local transformation. To do that, we first connect to our base. This is if you want to set up your base somewhere convenient on your site and then visit a known point to do a localization or local transformation. So now busy connecting Bluetooth to the base. Instead of doing a known point, known position, we do an average geodetic position and we say start reference. I normally let it go to about 10 epochs before I start the base. The more epochs you have, the more accurate your unknown or local position will be. And I set my position. It's asking me whether I want to save the point in the database. I'm going to say no, as I'm not going to use that point again. You can put in your measure, your height of instrument here, and I say OK. Now we connect to the radio so that we start the base's radio so that the base can start transmitting corrections. Now configuring the radio. My base is now transmitting, so we can connect to the rover. I first disconnect Bluetooth from my base and I connect to my rover. This is to establish a Bluetooth connection to the rover. It's testing the incoming data stream. And instead of saying standard measure, I would go to local transformation point, and I make sure that the RTK is fixed so that we get a good solution. I'm on local transform, I click on RTK fixed. It's asking me whether I want to save the point in the database prior to proceeding, and I say no. The instrument will automatically detect at which point I am. In this case I am at point P001, and I say yes. This instrument now gives you the option to check your coordinate system. And I say OK, and the point has been added to our local transformation. What I would do now is stake out a second point to make sure that the local transformation was applied properly. To do that, I click on local transformation, I click on staking, stake points. In this case I'm going to stake point P002. I'm now going to pause the video to go to point P002. I'm now at point P002. I'm staking that point out. The instrument will display the residuals and I say RTK fixed. Again, the instrument displays the tolerances. In this case I'm exceeding the tolerances. I'm at 45 mils from my delta, and my tolerance setting is to 30. In this case, for the sake of this video, I'm going to say save point in raw data, and now my instrument is being localized. I've gone back to P002 to get a better result, and you see these are much better results. So I click on RTK fixed, and these are better residuals. So I say save point in raw data, and I click on store point, and my localization has now been complete.